All right, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple Power Automate workflow that will automatically grab any attachments coming in from your emails and put them into a folder of your choosing on OneDrive. All right, so go ahead and head over to the Power Automate website and sign in. You can also access it from 365 dashboard, I believe, under the apps. And once we get in, we're going to look over onto the left for either My Flows or for the Create tab. Both of those spots will get you to where you need to be. Then you're going to select the Automated Cloud Flow, either from the tab there, or you can access it from the other one like I was saying, and you're just going to click at the top and the Automated Cloud Flow in the drop-down menu. And then you'll see this window pop up, and here you're going to look for when a new email arrives. Now this one is for Gmail, but if you scroll down, I'm going to be using the one for Outlook v3. So when a new email arrives, v3 Office 365 Outlook, go ahead and click on that. And then it's going to bring you into the new designer. Now go ahead and make sure you've got it selected, and then come over to the left and press the Show All to see all the parameters on the side. And if you're not seeing the same layout that I have, you can go over to the top right and just toggle this new designer. And this will change your appearance so that it looks similar to what I'm using. Now in the parameters here, you've got all sorts of cool options that you can use if you want to really be specific about which emails you are looking for to grab the attachments off of. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to select the include attachments and the only with attachments. And I'm going to set those both to yes, because that's what we're concerned about for this. Once that's done, we're going to press the plus sign and we're going to add a new action, and we're searching for OneDrive for Business specifically, because if you don't use the for business one, it won't work. Then I press create file, and that's going to bring us to these parameters here. Now the folder path is basically asking us where we want it to go on the OneDrive, and you can select the root of your OneDrive, or you can go over and create a little folder. I've already done that. A little attachments folder, and then I'm just going to select the root, and it'll load, and then it'll show me the attachments, and I will select that. So that's where they're all going to get saved to. For the file name, we're just going to set it to show the name that the attachment comes in as. So we select the see more so that we can see everything, and I'm going to scroll down and find attachments name, and then we're going to repeat the process for the file content. So this way, it's going to basically save it as it came in the email. So we select attachments content. Now we can go ahead and save it, and then we will test it to make sure that everything is working accordingly. We're going to click on manually, and this is going to let us send a new email to the inbox to trigger it. Go ahead and select that, and then we go down to the bottom and hit test. And now to see if it works, we're just going to send an email to the inbox. We can see here that the flow ran successfully. Now we'll go ahead and check the file folder on OneDrive. And as you can see here, the test attachment has arrived. It worked.